everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More. Welcome to my channel. What I am doing today is I'm resining this vase. And this was the same vase that I had before, but I had to redo it because I had a problem. So I'm going to be resining this vase and the picture with the two turtles, which I redid the turtles as well. I'll show you that in just a minute. Just want to finish stirring up the resin. Welcome to my channel, by the way. I appreciate you watching. Alright, I think I have stirred it enough. Alright, and this is how I resin my vases. I've already put a layer of Mod Podge, 2 layers actually of Mod Podge on this. So I'm just going to drizzle it right up on top, just like this, and bring it on down. With my hands and my gloves, just like this. Yep, just like that. Just gonna just drizzle down. We gotta make sure we get all the cracks and crevices. Oh, look at that shine.
Alright.
So, now what we're gonna do, I'm bringing this over, and it's going right there. There's the turtles that I repainted right here. I think I'm not going to use that mat right now. I'll just put it right here. Alright, so now I can move this without dredging it. This should be good. Alright, let me make sure this is the position I want the turtles in. I think it's actually quite cute that way. So let me get another glove on. I did Mod Podge these two. And I Mod Podged the turtles I dipped. And I did Mod Podge the turtles and the canvas. 2 coats each. So what I'm doing is I am going to just drizzle it everywhere. All here. I know this is going to take probably 3 coats because of the fact how thick the turtles are. And a little bit more, because I know we're going to need a lot right there. Alright, I'm going to sit this right over here. I don't want to move the turtles, I just want them to be covered like this. Yep. And I just rub it in and around the sides. Make sure it goes over and in between all the cracks and crevices. This. Okay. Some more on this turtle. There we go. And around the sides. Not to have it all the way filled up past where the turtles are. Now, after this first coat, once it dries, and if you see it separating any particular spot, at that time you will put more Mod Podge over that area before you put your second coat on. So, there we have that. Just checking what, nice and full right over by the turtles. So, that is it for resining the first coat with the turtles and the vase. So I will bring you back. Actually, I'll snap some pictures of it as it dries and include it in the video. I am going to go ahead and heat up with the heat gun real quick. There we go. We are done for now, and we will have another video tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed the video. God bless, be safe, and be happy. See you soon. Bye-bye now. Everyone, I just wanted to show you, I just got done pouring the resin. And I'm showing you that video, but I also want to show you how it looks when it's wet. There you go. Alright. Thank you for joining me.
Da 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 da.